How to tip a Lyft driver. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to tip a driver on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now to tip a driver, you need to finish your ride. So simply you need to take a ride first. Now simply add your starting and destination just like this, and you need to take the ride and finish your ride. Once your trip ends, the app will bring up a rating and feedback screen. Now rate your driver, tap 1 to 5 stars to rate your experience, then simply select the tip amount. Below the rating, you will see preset options like $1, $2, $5, or you can tap custom tip to enter a specific amount. And simply tap onto one of the options and tap on to submit. Your rating and tip will be processed together. And that's it. This is how you can tip a Lyft driver. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.